Hi, I'm here before the show opens today so I can make these videos. This is the LG Echo City Garden designed by Hwang. It won a Silver-Gilt award. The interesting thing about this garden, and there's the broom, it's still before the show, and we're sweeping up the green roof a few minutes ago, is the integration of technology and city living in an incredibly beautiful garden. There is a pond of sorts that runs around the whole thing to water the plants. There's a green roof. There's a vertical vegetable garden. There's a humongous TV on the side. There's a sunken living room area. The other thing that I found really interesting was the color palette. It is cheery and optimistic, and when so many people talk about technology, that's not what they think, and they don't think about it incorporating it into a garden.